Hello, this is a presentation of B2Butterfly for FasterCapital. B2Butterfly starts from the need of founders for a network of companies, not just a network of business people. And this need was shared with many marketing professionals in B2B that said that they really need this. And there is no something similar on the market. That's why we created B2Butterfly, which is a network of companies where potential clients search for potential suppliers analyzing their case studies. The case studies are very important pieces of content where a company describes its success with clients. B2Butterfly analyzes and collects all the data from the activities of potential clients on the portal. These data are valuable information for the potential suppliers. That's why B2Butterfly proposed to the potential supplier to buy those data, and that's the business model of the portal. Let's see in detail the business plan now. We talk about case studies, which is a very natural thing. Customer convincing other customers. Case studies in B2B are the most important marketing content, according to several important researches. We said prospects meet potential suppliers, especially for products and services of a certain relevance in terms of money and in terms of customization for the client. While the supplier publishes several case studies, the prospects search for what he needs through the case studies. The portal makes them available and searchable very easily. Prospects and suppliers meet together, which is an important thing, especially for the supplier that makes money, but also for the prospect to find the right solution for him. This was normally done through a long selection path, where suppliers arrived very late on the selection because they were called by potential clients very late. Now, those registered in B2Butterfly, they can buy the data about the searches of the potential client and contact them before the competition. That's a very important value in getting faster to the client. B2Butterfly therefore says who has searched what and for a long time to the potential suppliers for a very reasonable price, very attractive for potential suppliers. In addition, it can send also analysis of complex data collected together in clusters. Let's see now the marketing. The marketing can be inbound, attracting visitors in the portal through interesting content about case studies. It can be done through partnership with agencies that can manage the company's profile on the portal, and of course outbound, inviting companies that have been pre-charged on the B2Butterfly database already, companies that are visited, and companies that are involved in the case studies because the suppliers mentioned them. In addition, we can provide free leads to companies registered in the portal if they invite other companies. That's a way to spread the word of mouth. We have a lot of competition, a lot of competitors managing reviews in the software field. Other competitors very general in the software field, and a few competitors in manufacturing and communication. B2Butterfly is at the center of this system because it can manage software, manufacturing, communication and other B2B fields. And this is in the center also because it manages case studies, which is something that only one competitor in software can do. In addition, B2Butterfly can also manage the editing of case studies. Therefore, it has a very, very unique positioning compared to the competition. The competition has got great interest from big players like LinkedIn and Gartner. Some of them have achieved investments for more than $35 million. Let's see now the SWOT analysis. Our strengths are in the team, because the team knows the B2B market in different fields. The team feels the need of this portal and has collected opinions from marketing professionals that also need this portal. So the team knows the demand, what the demand wants, how huge it is. In addition to that, the portal has a unique positioning compared to the competition, as we saw. And also, it's a model, the case study, using the case study that allows for viral marketing, as we saw. Finally, we can have a very aggressive price that, however, allows great margins. We'll see that in the financial projections. The weakness is the IT development. We need power for that, and we are looking for it. The payback period is not very short, at least 3 years, to see good results. And we are not in Silicon Valley, so we need to grow the network to make the portal very effective with financial support, development support. The great opportunities are the portal is global, it has a natural scalability, is done to be scalable. It's a blue ocean because it's in marketing B2B, which is really a new world compared to the B2C. And in addition to leads, we can supply marketing analysis of clusters, which can be interesting for players studying different B2B fields. The threat is mainly that big players could copy the model unless we are fast enough to become the reference portal for B2B lead generation through case studies. Let's see very quickly the financial model that you can read more in detail in the presentation. So, we start with our investment as founders, which is of 250,000 euros in money and work, and we are looking for other 200,000 euros of development. Once we get that, we can achieve those results. So a growth is very realistic, but let's imagine how will be the years after, when you really have all the companies interested in the portal and you can really propose them different services. And the investment to achieve that is mainly in people. It's a portal, so we mainly need people to manage it and to keep developing it. In order to get that, we have certain expenses that will cause a loss in the first year, which must be covered by about 1 million euros to be found in the next round of investment. But starting from the end of the second year, we recover from that, and the great margin starting to show off in the third and fourth year. You can see here how the sales can grow and how the gross margin is negative for a couple of years and then goes up. I let you see by yourself the competitors' details, where you will find numbers and understand why big players such as LinkedIn and Gartner want to buy these kind of companies. And that's why B2Butterfly is a great investment. For any question, you can contact me at pietro.lucchini@b2butterfly.com. Thank you.